In this video, you will get how to download and install Pikashow APK on Android TV 2025. Just follow the steps below. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV. Power on your Android TV and make sure it is connected to the internet. Step 2. Enable unknown sources. Go to Settings, Security and Restrictions, Unknown Sources, and allow installation from unknown apps. Step 3. Install the Downloader app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Downloader, and install it. Step 4. Open the Downloader app. Launch the Downloader app from your apps list. Step 5. Enter the Pikashow APK link. In the URL box, type the Pikashow APK download link and press Go. Step 6. Download the APK file. Wait for the Pikashow APK file to finish downloading. Step 7. Install the app. When the download completes, click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Step 8. Open Pikashow. After installation, go to your Apps section and launch Pikashow. Step 9. Start streaming. Now you can browse movies, TV shows, and live content on your Android TV. That's it. You've successfully installed Pikashow on Android TV.